Very warm welcome to all of you once again. So, today we are going to start with how to use the Akashic cards. All right. The very first thing I know that we do not want to go with so many rituals when it comes to the spirituality. But when it comes to the cards, Akashic cards, I'm not talking about any other Akashic oracle deck. I am talking about this card deck, which is channeled by me. This card deck is like a consecration of the energies which our Akashic guides or the universe wants to share with us. So, first, when you start working with them, it definitely needs a space of respect. I remember that like 15 years back, as a volunteer, I worked with an organization and worked with their cards and learned. I used to have a proper wooden box, antique wooden box to keep my cards. I still have that box, by the way. And then I got some cloth of brocade and some material design for that to wrap my cards into that. And I used to put some crystals, stuff like that into that box long back as a tarot reader or maybe some other cards at that time I was using or I started using. Slowly and gradually, I started using them more rough handed or more frequently, and my channeling to it is always there on my office table. But now, since when you are starting it, I will say that keep them in a very respectful place. Keep them in, something which you like, even if you are keeping them on your office table or something. What I mean to say is that you should know that this space has a space in your life. Okay. That's the whole intention about it. The cotton bag which you have received through the deck has a purpose because the material, the linen and the cotton material used in the bag actually retains the energy of the card. Okay. So the cotton and the linen is one type of thread that works very well with the spiritual energy. It doesn't go in the same way with the synthetic, with satin and other sort of fabrics. No, the whole idea of that linen bag is to keep your cards right and to maintain the energy of them in a very good way. In the back, there is a space of you can put some small crystal or maybe a crystal. I right now I don't have that smaller one in my hand, but I don't have it right now. And otherwise, you can put the selenite crystal also in the back. Okay. It is not mandatory, but it is always good and very good to do it. Right. How you are going to channel them when you are using them the first time. Okay. So that I will share with you all in the next video.